Listen, you think you're managing your money correctly, right? But I guarantee you, by the end of this video, you'll realize you're dead wrong. And these mistakes are costing you hundreds of thousands right now. Stay here because today we're breaking down 5 money mistakes that everyone is making. And you're probably making them too. Hey everyone, welcome. I've helped thousands of people transform their financial lives. Here's the truth: most people, engineers, doctors, business owners, are surprisingly careless with their money. And this carelessness costs them millions. Today's video is for anyone serious about building real wealth. So like this video, subscribe, and let's go. Mistake number 1: no emergency fund. The biggest mistake? Zero emergency fund. Life happens, medical emergencies, job loss, car breaks down. But here's what most people do: they panic sell their investments. Picture this: you've been investing 1 lakh in a mutual fund for 5 years. Suddenly, medical emergency hits. You need money immediately. You sell that investment. The damage? 20 to 30% in capital gains tax. We're talking 50,000 to 100,000 rupees in opportunity cost, minimum. Here's what works: build an emergency fund of 6 months' basic living expenses before investing. If that's too much, start with 3 months. Put it in a fixed deposit or savings account. This is your financial airbag. People with this? They sleep peacefully. Everyone else? One crisis away from financial disaster. Mistake number 2: lifestyle inflation. This one sneaks up on you slowly and kills your wealth building dreams. Scenario: promotion comes. Salary goes from 40K to 60K. What do? Hire a maid. Move to a better apartment. Upgrade your car. Buy designer clothes. But here's the truth: your savings might have actually decreased. Let me show you the real math. Guy A earns 30K, saves 10K. Gets promoted to 50K, now saves 8K. Guy B earns 30K, saves 10K. Gets promoted to 50K, still saves 10K. Fast forward 20 years. Guy A? 200K to 2,500K. Guy B? 1.2 million. Same job. Same salary. But Guy B is 50 times wealthier. Why? Because he didn't let lifestyle inflate with his income. Here's the strategy: when salary increases, automate your savings first. If salary goes up 50K, transfer 25K to investments immediately, before you see it. Use the remaining 25K for lifestyle upgrades. This single habit is the difference between mediocrity and serious wealth. Mistake number 3: emotional investment decisions. This destroys wealth building plans constantly. Someone watches a viral video saying crypto is the future. Suddenly they dump their life savings into it. No strategy. Pure FOMO. Or they read one negative article about mutual funds and panic sell everything. Investment decisions are never supposed to be emotional. Never based on what's trending. What your friend did. What some influencer said. But that's exactly what people do. Here's the damage: you buy at market peaks when everyone's excited. Then it crashes 20 to 30% and you panic sell at the bottom. You've locked in losses. You chase trends and lose money. You constantly switch strategies and never benefit from compounding. Here's what works: create one investment plan based on your goals, your timeline, your risk tolerance. Then stick to it. The people who get rich aren't smarter. They're just less reactive. One plan. Consistent execution. Year after year. Mistake number 4: ignoring compound interest. Compound interest is why some people become millionaires while others earning twice as much stay broke. Here's the reality. Person A starts investing 10K per month at 25. Gets 12% returns. At 55? 3.2 million. Person B starts investing 10K per month at 35. Gets 12% returns. At 55? 900K. Same investment. Same returns. But person A has 3.5x more wealth. Why? Time. But people wait. Maybe next year I'll invest. And 10 years pass. 20 years pass. And they're 50 with nothing saved. Start now. Today. This week. The amount doesn't matter, 2K, 5K, 10K. Time is what matters. That 2K per month invested for 30 years at 12% returns becomes 50 plus lakhs. Compound interest does the work for you. Mistake number 5, skipping insurance. Most people think, I'm healthy. Never had accidents. Why pay for insurance? Then life happens. One serious medical emergency and that's 10 to 20 lakhs gone. If you're not insured, you're taking a loan or selling all your investments. Same with life insurance. If you have dependents and don't have life insurance, you're gambling with their future. The cost? Less than 10K per month for both term life and health insurance. But if something happens and you're not covered? 10 to 50 lakh rupees in costs. You lose everything. Get term life insurance of 25 to 50 lakhs. Get comprehensive health insurance. Get accident insurance. These aren't investments, they're protection. Non-negotiable. So right now. Check, do you have an emergency fund? Start building one today. Review your spending, are you inflating your lifestyle? Evaluate your investments, are you chasing trends or following a real plan? Check your insurance, are you protected? These mistakes aren't permanent. Fix them starting today. Drop a comment, which mistake are you making? Let's build wealth together. Like this video. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. Let's build wealth together.